So somebody actually sent me this particular message on Telegram, and this might look funny, but this is not funny. This shows that there are still a lot of people that don't know more about Facebook monetization or how to even go about it, and that is why I am here. So in my previous video, I actually talked about Facebook bonuses, how I got some bonuses from Facebook and the rest. I talked about me posting AI photos and how much Facebook paid me and how much Facebook pays me for 1,000 views and the rest. So if you have not watched that video, do well to go check it out. In my last video, I talked about a lot of things, and one of the things I talked about was this particular new niche that I discovered right here, and I said that I'm going to come back here and create another video about it, and this is the video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, hit on that subscribe button right now to get more content from us, and don't forget to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section below. Another thing you need to know is that monetizing Facebook is not something overnight, you understand, especially if you're a complete beginner. It is when you monetize that you start making money on Facebook, you understand. And for you to monetize, you have to post content, you understand. And for you to post content, you have to be consistent, you have to have a niche. Another thing is that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I'm not saying after watching this video you start making money on Facebook. I'm just saying that after watching this video, you're going to learn about a new niche on Facebook that can help you grow your community on Facebook. So without too much yapping, let's just go straight to the point. I had to come back to this particular page right here, and I download 2 to 3 different images that I'm going to be using as my reference image. I brought the images into ChatGPT, as you can see right here, and I gave ChatGPT this particular prompt right here. So after I gave ChatGPT that particular prompt and those images, ChatGPT gave me a workflow, and I gave it this other prompt right here, and it decided to break it down into 4 different parts. Now the first part is for the scene by scene, as you can see, and the second one is actually the aspect ratio for the image prompt. So after that, ChatGPT actually gave me this master prompt right here that I'm going to use for all the images, and after that it gave me different prompts for the scenes, or for the images rather, and I copied all the prompts. I came into Gemini, and after that I selected Nano Banana, and after that I selected Pro, and I just pasted in this prompt right here. And as I paste the prompt, Gemini actually gave me this particular image right here. You can see this looks beautiful, and I have to download the image. After that, I copy the second prompt and I repeat the same thing. So I had to use the image as a reference just for consistency, and I paste the second prompt, I got the second image, I paste the third prompt, and I did that for the remaining images. Now I have my images, and the next thing is for me to get the video, right? So I went back to ChatGPT and I told it to give me video prompt for each of the scene, you understand, with dialogue for each of the scene, and it gave me video prompt for each of the scene. Now the next thing we have to do is for us to upscale our images. That's the next thing we have to do right now. So for us to do that, we can use InShot to do that. You understand? To upscale our images, we can use InShot. Or what you have to do, just come to InShot, import your image. After that, just click on HD. I actually upscale the image right here. After that, just export it. The next thing you can do is for you to remove the watermark if you want to do that. One of the methods that I like using personally is Canva. Come down to Canva, click on gallery right here, import the image. After you import the image, click on the image right here and come down here, click on these 3 lines right here, scroll down, click on set image as background. Then after that, click on the image again, scroll down here, click on select. After that, click on brush. Just come down here and brush the watermark right here. Once you brush the watermark, just click on magic eraser. Now once you do that, you're going to see that it's actually analyzing the image, and after that our watermark is actually cleared. And after that, you can just click on export right here, click on download again. Now for the animation, we have 2 different AI tools that we can use. Now the first one is called Grok, and Grok is free. They have daily limits. The second one is called Google Flow, so you can just search for Google Flow on your Chrome browser. You're going to see Google Flow, or you can just search for grok.com. You're going to see Grok. Now let's say you want to use Google Flow or you want to use Grok. It's actually very simple. So if you want to use Grok, just come over to Grok and create an account. You can sign in with your Google account. Click on the 3 lines. You're going to see where they say imagine. Click on imagine. They'll bring you here. Just come here, click on these 3 lines, click on upload your image right here. Now once you finish uploading your image, sometimes it takes a while. After that, just go ahead and put in your prompt inside the prompt box right here, and that's it. You generate the video. Let's compare the both of them. I did one with Grok, I did one with Google Flow. So this is the one I did with Grok. This is a private mountain cabin designed for comfort, privacy, and connection with nature. Now you can see right there, and this is the one I did with Google Flow. Okay, so what I would tell you not to do, don't ever use their inbuilt voiceovers because it's going to spoil everything for you. Don't use it. So this is the audio script right here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the script right here. After you copy the script that ChatGPT gives you, all what you have to do, just go ahead and search for 11 Labs. As you can see, 11 Labs say you cannot use their platform for free anymore, right? You cannot use it again for free. If you don't want to use any of this, you can use InShot, right? I noticed that InShot also have a voiceover tool right here that you can use to create voiceovers, right? This is actually amazing. Just come down here, click on text. So once you click on text, you can see AI speech right here. Click on that. So just come down here and just go ahead and put in the script that you copied. I don't know, let me just put the script over there. I'm just going to go ahead and choose Adam right there. So let me click on generate. So it's going to take a while for it to generate the whole thing right there, so you can see. So now we have our voiceover. Now what we have to do next is for us to go ahead and start generating those videos one after the other. All right, so as you can see, I'm done with all my videos. Let me play them so that you can see. You can see this looks amazing and peaceful. So I use Grok to generate each of these particular clips right here. You can see this is the second one. This looks beautiful. This is amazing, my goodness. Look at this one too. Look at the fireplace. This is amazing, right? This is so beautiful. All right, so we have all our clips right here. The next thing is for us to put them together inside InShot. So I'm going to come over to InShot right here. I'm going to import the first clip, and I'm also going to import the second clip, all of them right here. Now after that, I'm going to just click on this, and we have our clips. So I'm going to stop all their sound, and I'm going to come here and click on the music icon. I'm going to click on music. Okay, so I'm going to come here and click on extract audio from video, and I'm going to extract that particular audio that we generated inside InShot using their AI. Okay, so I'm going to click on next, and we have our audio, but it's like our audio is shorter than our video. Okay, so our video is done already, right? There's nothing too much. There's nothing too much about this. So our video is already done right here. So all what we have to do is for us to just click on export right here. Let's export this at 30 frames per second. Now you can decide to upscale the video if you want. If you don't want to, just leave it there. Let me just click on export right here, and we are done. Okay, so after we export this and we have our video, the next thing is for you to create a Facebook page. Like I said, you can choose a niche. Now, a niche is not something you post. A niche is just your area of focus. Okay, what are you focusing on? That is what they call niche. You can focus on posting only mountain cabin. You can focus on posting only football highlight. You can focus on posting only celebrity topic. You can focus on posting only music videos and stuff like that. So there are a lot of other niches you can go into. So this is another niche I just found about recently, so you can decide to try this out, you understand. So that's how you create this, and let me play our final work right here. So our final work, this is it.
Welcome. This is a private mountain cabin designed for comfort, privacy, and connection with nature, surrounded by tall pine trees and natural stone landscapes. The setting feels calm and secluded. The outdoor deck offers space for relaxing, dining, and enjoying the mountain air. As we step inside, the cabin opens into a warm and inviting living space.
You can see that's what we got right there. So after this, just create a Facebook page and start posting stuff like this. Not just this, so you can also post those images. Remember, the images we got, you can also post them. Post things like this, you're going to attract foreign audience to your page, and you might have high RPM and high CPM for you to earn more through monetization. So let me know what you think in the comment section.